Welcome to Flash Tutorial 11, Arrays 2, Push. In the previous tutorial we showed you how to make an array, and now in this tutorial we're going to show you how to use code to put things into that array. So start with a new FLA, keep action script 3, OK. Get back to the timeline. Call this AS as an action script. Open the actions panel, type. Variable, first array, colon, array, this array turns blue, equals new array. New is purple, array is blue, open close bracket, semicolon. And I want to do a trace, TRACE, open bracket, first array, period, length. Length is spelt with small letters and it turns blue. Close bracket, semicolon. This trace will trace the length of our array. Because we have nothing in here between these brackets, the length of our array will be 0. This trace, TRACE, turns blue, open bracket, first array, open square bracket, 1, close square bracket, close bracket, semicolon. This is saying trace what is in the element 1 position. We have absolutely no elements in our array, so this will trace undefined. So when I test this out, we're going to see two things. We're going to see it say the length 0 and then undefined. Control test movie test. Undefined, length 0, undefined. So that worked pretty good. Let's go back to the timeline into the action script and put a couple enters and type in this code. Type. I have 2 forward slashes. That just means whatever's here is just a comment, and it says add elements to the array using the push method. So we're going to add things to the array. It's this first array, the same one. So first array, period, push. Small push turns blue. Open bracket, quotation C, close quotation, close bracket, semicolon. So here we're going to put C into our array. And this line here, it says array, period, push, open bracket. In quotations is D, quotation. There's a comma, quotation E, quotation, comma, F is in quotation, F, quotation, close bracket, semicolon. So here we're going to put 2 things into the array. Actually 4. C, D, E, and F eventually. Now we're going to trace. First thing I'm going to trace, TRACE, is I'm going to open bracket, first array, period, length, close bracket, semicolon. So now it'll trace 4 this time. Then I'm going to say trace, open bracket, first array, close bracket, semicolon, and that'll trace everything. And everything will be C, D, E, and F. So let's test this out. And I have written down on a piece of paper. This one line's going to trace a 0 for us because we have nothing in our arrays. This is going to trace an undefined because we're asking what's in element position 1, which doesn't exist. So 0, undefined. Then we're going to trace here is putting something in. This is going to trace 4 because we put 4 elements, C, D, E, and F. And finally, we're going to trace those C, D, E, and F. So 0, undefined, 4, C, D, E, F. I have this written down. And that's what it did. 0, undefined, 4, C, D, E, F. Let's go back to the actions code. Go down to the bottom of this code, put a couple enters, and type in this code. Type. We're still dealing with this same first array, so now we're going to create a variable. var, VAR, turns purple. I'm calling it car, CAR. Colon, number, capital NUMBER, number turns blue, and I'm giving this variable equals 44 semicolon. So this variable called car equals 44. We're going to take that first array again, first array, period, push. We're going to push something into the array, this time open bracket car, close bracket semicolon. But car is a variable and it knows it because of this, so it's actually going to put the value 44 in that last spot of this array. And then we're going to say trace, open bracket, first array, close bracket, semicolon. So we're going to have everything from here up be exactly the same. And then we're going to do a final trace which has C, D, E, and F followed by 44. Test movie test. And it's exactly what we said. 0, undefined, 4, C, D, E, and F, and C, D, E, and F with the 44, which is that variable car. And again, I'm going to say to you, if you don't get it, I wouldn't suggest you go on any further because you're just going to hear a bunch of blah, blah, blah. I hope you learned something from this tutorial, and I hope you use what you learn.